Alright, I'm going to cut this spacer down a little bit. Gonna move it out to where I got room to do that. Perfectly straight, but it'll be nice and close. Yeah, it'll take a while to get straight that way. Yeah, we ain't got all day. Cheat, use the indicator. How come the camera's in the way? Yeah. That's what they make indicators for. Alright, put that out like that. Rolling in there. High is that way. $5,000. That's high right there. Alright, 1,000, close to review. Still wobble a little bit on the other side. Okay, that part's done. Okay, I'm going to cut the OD down. Gear. Hard. Alright, should be close. 57, pretty close. About 53 or 52. 52. 52. Close enough. Doesn't need to be perfect. Now I gotta deburr the edge. Nice smooth one like this. Ah. Ah. Dangerous. Jam my hand in the chuck. Got my finger in the bottom because this is a wedge shape and it jams in between there and a wedge and it locks in. Get you. That's why I like the finer file, doesn't dig in so bad. Oh well, we'll use what we got. This is a little finer. Side edge. It'll work. Smoother sandpaper, which I don't think I have any more of. Now, the sandpaper's missing too. Everything's missing. Find something to use. I need some fine paper. I have to go hunt something down. I used to have a bunch of paper that was down inside my thing over here, and it disappeared the other. Oh, there it is, way buried in back. No wonder I couldn't find it. Oh, look, there's a piece laying right there too. No wonder I can't find my paper. I knew it disappeared. Found it. This stuff here is 120 grit, it's brand new, so aggressive. Don't want that. This one here is 80. It feels finer than that one. Okay, so now we got some fine paper to use. Rotate that back over there, let me see. Hold the OD of this. I'm going to smooth up that gasket surface, or the seal surface a little bit. Yeah, you're not supposed to fall like that. There you go. There it is. You hammer it flush to the jaw. Tighten it a little bit. It should be flush. It should wobble. Nice and smooth. Alright, we take our flat file, a piece of worn out paper, put it on your file like that, see a nice flat surface. You go in there and you rub on it a little bit. Don't hit the file against the thing there. And you polish it a little bit. Okay, how'd that look? Looks pretty good. Okay, that's how you do that. Nothing dangerous there at all. Alright, so now that's all cut down, smoothed up on this surface. This surface is still real nice and smooth, so we're good. And now it's cut down, it'll fit inside our cork, so we should be alright. Alright, we just cleaned up, way back.